Hello, welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to hide wholesale-only products from guests and retail customers using the Wholes plugin. This feature is useful when you want to make sure that wholesale products are only visible to logged-in wholesale users. Let's go through the steps. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Wholes, Settings. Click on Product Settings, Product Visibility. Under the section for retailers or general customers, enable the toggle Hide Wholesaler Only Products. This setting hides any product marked as wholesaler only from all non-wholesale users, including guests and regular customers. Now, to apply this restriction on individual products, go to Products, All Products. Edit the product you want to restrict. In the Product Edit screen, scroll down to the Wholes tab in the Product Data section. You'll find a field labeled Product Visibility with three options: Everyone, Wholesalers Only, Retailers Only. Select Wholesalers Only from the drop-down. Repeat this process for each wholesale product you want to hide from guests and retail customers. After assigning visibility settings to your products, click Update to save the changes. Now, only logged-in wholesale users will be able to see these products on the front end. And that's how you hide wholesale-only products from guests and retail customers using Wholes. This setup ensures a clean and focused product catalog for each type of customer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Wholes tutorials to learn more.